Hi Ray, just a quick one with the map. I think it's happened with the introduction of Mapbox that when I clear the cache, refresh the page, when the map first loads, there's a large grey section. The tiles aren't completely loading in. You can see that some of the tiles are down the bottom there but not in the middle, if even that works. If I'm to click on the button, it obviously loads in, but on that first initial load, I'll see if it'll do it again. It may not necessarily be every time. Just wait for it to load. As you can see, that grey section is there. I'm pretty sure that if I log out, I'll just pause the video and try that. Okay, so I've just logged out. The admin bar is not there anymore. Refresh the page and same issue. Could you have a look at that for me? Great. Thank you.